Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Fry again from Jefferson Elementary, and we are going to be finishing up this lesson today with a writing activity. So the writing activity today is found on page 54 and 55 of your actual My Book. And if you look down on this section here, it's going to give you your prompt, okay? Now remember, a prompt tells us what exactly that we are writing about. So you've been reading about nature's wonders, lots of different poems that you've been exposed to this week, and lots of different information and how poems are different and how the author's craft is the author's way of writing what they want to say in different ways. Today you're going to look at the prompt, and it says, in nature's wonders, you read poems and some facts about 4 natural wonders. Imagine that your class has a literature blog. Write an opinion paragraph about the natural wonder you feel is the most amazing. Include a statement describing how the poem about the natural wonder supports your opinion. Support your reasons with specific details from the poem and the informational text. Be sure to use some of the critical vocabulary words in your writing. Now, when you're doing this writing today, remember it says a paragraph. So you're only writing a paragraph. You're going back through the things that you've already read, and you're going to be choosing which one of these that you feel is the most amazing. There is not one correct answer for this. I might think that one of these is absolutely amazing, and you might think, I don't think it's so amazing. You might think something else is even more amazing than what I think. But what you basically have to do is you have to claim which thing you believe, which of the natural wonders is the most amazing. You have to state that you believe this particular thing is the most amazing natural wonder. Then going back to what the prompt reminds you of, you need to use some critical vocabulary words that we talked about this week. These are listed in your My Book. They're also on the previous videos. You need to look at the stories and then come up with reasons why you think this is the most natural wonder, the most amazing natural wonder. So you can't just say, I think Mount Everest is the best because I like it. That's not enough information. Using reasons means that you're going to go back into the text. Maybe you like the way it was shaped, you like the author's craft. You could give examples of the author's craft, that it made you feel a certain way when you read it. Maybe you like the structure of how it was written. Maybe you like the shape. Maybe you just like the word choice that was in there. Any of those things are great examples. Remember, this is one paragraph, but be sure to tell us your one natural wonder that you feel is the most amazing, and then the reasons to support it. Happy writing, and use your My Book. Make sure that you go back in and get your details. If you have any questions, check in with your teacher. Thank you.